Well, actually, organic food is not that expensive when we buy it from the farmer. But organic as a category is not very big in India. And when we go to a retailer, they ask for a lot of margins. That's why for a final consumer, for the end consumer, the price has become so expensive.
From pesticide, fertilizer and other things.
Isn't that what it is?
Not exactly.
Okay.
Because the research says that it is having pesticides, fertilizers and other chemicals but in less amount.
Okay.
Okay, so that is a fact.
As per APIDA, which is under Ministry of Agriculture, when we buy a lot of organic produce from the farmer, we have to check for 180 pesticides.
Pick up the uglier looking fruits and vegetables, double the price, call them organic, and we successfully sell them. There is nothing that can stop us from doing that.
Then when they actually go to the market to purchase it, the prices are so high that they, either tell us and, ask us to give an alternative, or they would say that, what is the added on benefit? If you go into the deep detail, then they would say, "Chodo na ma'am, let's just buy something else."
Know the clients and patients who are taking organic food and they are switching to it happily.
The organic farming land only.
Okay, yes.
You cannot grow in like a gamla and other things, but you need to be confirm about that soil which you are using, because ultimately
Naturally.
that is
That
your
will give you the organic
source.
produce.
Okay.
Right.
So as long as the trend of education will go up, the trend of going organic will be parallel to that.